wow. Oh la la. Oh wow. Oh, you have a big wave there, no? Oh my god. Oh my god. Anda ngora tadi. Oh my god, they all falling!
On March 3rd, 2024, in the rugged mountains of Nagar, Gilgit-Baltistan, a massive avalanche crashes down with unstoppable force, turning the valley into a river of snow and ice, a gripping reminder of nature's raw and untamed power. In August 2024, in the small town of Marion, Texas, a local man captured the incredible moment as swirling winds rapidly transformed into a powerful dust devil right before his eyes. Look at this. The car plunged through the ice. Thankfully, the driver and passengers escaped unharmed, but the vehicle was swallowed by the freezing water, beyond saving.